DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
It's the same company as last.
Who would have thought the power of father and son would merge like this? Incredible. Alright, let's do this. Tonight we're going to draw the fusion of Gohan and Goku. Ultra Instinct Goku fused with Final Beast Gohan.
Special Beam Cannon!
Basically, this guy has beast hair plus Ultra Instinct power. Both of that was fused into his hair. That'd be something, because, well, back in Dragon Ball, Goku had the idea to fuse with Gohan. That is until Super Move absorbed him, so he had to fuse with Vegeta to become Vegito. Which is kind of off, actually. I thought that he was gonna fuse with this guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
There you are. Alexa, play the Amazing World of Gumball theme.
The Amazing World of Gumball theme song by The Amazing World of Gumball and VGR on Amazon Music.
There we are. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's his hair. And finished. Alexa, who is Beast Gohan?
According to an Alexa
What would
Answers
that call?
contributor, Gohan Beast is an evolved form of Gohan's potential unleashed state, stemming from Gohan's continued awakening since he was a child, and is currently his strongest transformation in recent media.
Alright, that takes care of that. Anyway, that is how you draw Goku and Gohan fused into one. That's all for now, guys.